Die skryfproses. Gebruik hierdie stappe vir beter skryfwerk. Hi learners, I hope you're well. So today we'll be covering what the writing process is for a descriptive essay, also known as a beskrywende opstel. Die skryfproses is 'n reeks stappe om te neem wanneer 'n skryfstuk geskep word. Beplanning. That is the very first step. It's also known as planning. And with regards to the planning, it's important that you stick to your senses. So let's read the note here in Afrikaans. It says, tydens die proses moet jy 'n tema kies wat jy wil beskryf. So you need to pick a theme that you would like to describe or a topic you would like to describe. Begin dan om minste 2 of 3 sintuie se beskrywings neer te skryf. So at this point, this is when you'd use 2 to 3 senses to describe your topic. Hier het ons 'n spinnekop diagram om vir julle te wys hoe om jou beplanning te doen vir jou beskrywende opstel. So this is the mind map we generally use when it comes to a descriptive essay. It does cover all 5 senses of sintuie. So die eerste een is ruik, to smell, proe, taste, voel, feel, and this can be both figurative as well as literal. Then you've got hoor, hear, sien, see. So it covers all 5 of our senses. Right, so after you have done your mind map, you have got more or less an idea as to what it is you want to write about and how to describe it. Remember, it's a descriptive essay. Dit is nie 'n verhalende opstel nie. It is not a narrative essay. So we do not want stories. We want you to describe, it can be an emotion, it can be a moment, it can be a character, but nothing more than that. We don't want a story. We want a description. 'n beskrywende opstel is 'n beskrywing. Okay, so once we hop onto that train, we then have 'n eerste poging. Dis nou stap nommer 2. Step 2 is 'n eerste poging. So 'n eerste poging, dit is die proses om 'n idee wat in jou kop gevorm het te neem en dit op papier te plaas. Dit hoef nie perfek te wees nie, maar dit moet volledig wees. Hersien, stap 3. Hersiening is om jou konsep te neem en enige veranderinge of verbeterings aan te bring. Stap 4. Redigering. Redigering is die proses om jou geskrywe stuk meer leesbaar en verstaanbaar te maak. These steps are incredibly important for any writing piece. This is where we revise, analyze, and we see where we could make our piece even better than what it is. Though your editing and revising is one of the most crucial parts of any writing process, you will have to be able to take a polished version of your first draft and put it into your final draft. This is called, in Afrikaans, die finale poging. Sodra jy jou skryfstuk hersien en geredigeer het, skryf jou finale konsep na die beste van jou vermoë en vermy enige moontlike foute. I hope that these steps helped you on your writing journey. Lekker skryf!